everybody! Today we're making the Russian carrot soup.
To make the meatballs, we'll need minced chicken, black pepper, salt, and chopped onions. For the soup, we'll be needing carrots, onions, parsley, black pepper, bay leaves, salt, potatoes, and last but not least, rice.
And now let's start the preparation of the meatballs. To the minced chicken, add chopped onions, salt, black pepper, and mix it well.
Now the mixture is ready for making the meatballs.
Now the preparation of the meatballs is done.
And now fry the chopped onions in 1 tablespoon of oil.
Next, add the carrots and cook it for 5 minutes.
Now add 2 liters of water and let it boil. After that, add the potatoes plus the spices and let it boil.
Cover it and let it boil. After some time, add the rice.
After the water has boiled, add the meatballs and let it cook for 15 minutes.
The soup is ready to serve. Let's have a final look. Enjoy the Russian soup.
It's time to taste the yummy soup. Oh, yum!